Hey everybody, how you doing? Today is a special day for me personally because uh, the P series from Huawei did affect my channel in a drastic way. Let's just say. Now, I actually decided to get the P30 Pro, the 512 version, and this is actually very special because I was looking for it maybe 1 year ago and it wasn't available in the market that I'm in here. But so far, after the discounts and all that drama is going on with the COVID thing, I was able to get it. Finally, I was able to get it. I'm going to sell all phones. Like I have the Mate 20X. I'm probably gonna get rid of it. The Honor Note 10. And finally, I get the ultimate guide. This is the 512 version. So let's unbox it and see what we have. I'm really excited about this, guys. Really excited. And here you can see this beautiful color, the orange color. Wow, check this out. This beautiful copper looking color, also reflective. We have the SIM card here, USB Type C, and the speaker. Very good speaker, by the way. Microphone here on the left side. On the top side, we have a couple of let's just see if the camera can capture it. No. Okay, so also I'm going to use this as my main camera here shooting, so it will be great camera. We have infrared sensor, we have a microphone on the right. The right we have also volume up and down, very quiet clicking, very nice looking design and colors, man. This is beautiful. I cannot believe I can't wait. We have the periscope. Guys, I'm into this periscope zoom thing. Finally, we get ourselves a periscope here, a depth sensor, laser autofocus. We have a very good camera here, excellent camera, 40 megapixels Sony IMX 650. And we have a great ultra wide, also 20 megapixels. So we're gonna try all these cameras, and also the handling. One-handed handling is really good here. I believe it's not just because of the curve, but it's actually very sturdy. So I'm really fortunate to be able to get this guy here. So let's see what we have in the box. Let's take out these pictures. Oh, I mean papers. Sorry. All right, we have a case, rubber case. Hopefully, it's very sturdy. Yep. On the edges, they are sturdy, so you're gonna have a great case. That's a good thing. A 40 watts quick charger. Of 40 watts. This is the. Let me just try to see if Realme can focus on it. On 5x. So you see that here, like max 40 watts. That's great. And this is compatible with the 40 watts supercharge with the Huawei, as opposed to the Mate 20X 4G version. Is not compatible with the 40 watt, only 22. So I'll be able to fast charge this in 40 watts. Will be so close to the 50 watts that I have in Realme, but it's not gonna hit the same numbers. But since this is 4200, it's gonna get good speed. So I'm really fortunate. We have a earpiece over here and connected to USB-C directly. That's a good thing if you like phones that maybe you have other phones that doesn't have a headphone jack. The USB-C is gonna be helpful here. Also USB-C charging. So that's it, guys. But so far, I'm loving it. I cannot wait to test the periscope and compare it with other phones, especially the Realme and other phones. But let's try the case. Not try it, but let's just look. You know what? I'm gonna take out the stickers right now. Fuck it, man. Let's just take it out right now. Man. Stickers tough. And the back actually is kinda matte and reflective at the same time. So it's a mix between a matte and glossy. So it's pretty nice. There is a lot of work done here. You have to take other stickers over here, but I'm gonna try the case first. Let's see. So it's really good if you're worried about the glass to be cracked if it drops. Wow, look at this fit, man. It fits perfectly. Man, I can't wait Huawei to come back and drop some Google apps and Google App Stores the new phones, because this company is really great when it comes to as a consumer who actually used P20 Pro before. And it's not like brand loyalty, but I'm just saying that user experience. I love this phone, guys. I really love it, and it's so nice and clean. And with this design right here, I can tell you that I'm gonna have fun with this guy. I'm gonna have fun. So if it actually, let's just see, if it drops on the side, the curvature is gonna be covered here with the bumper case, as you can see. So usually it's gonna be covered. So on the side as well, if you look at here, it's not gonna be like, it's not raised a lot, but it's enough. It's not like the Realme cover where it's actually goes up here a little bit. But this one is enough, I see it. But just be careful not to drop it on the face. That's the most important thing. So yeah, that's unboxing of the P30 Pro 512 gigabyte version, special edition, the orange color, which is I was looking for about 1 year ago. Thank you guys for watching. Expect more videos to come. Take care and see you guys later.